Being a good person is often portrayed as a path filled with rewards, respect, kindness in return, and a sense of fulfillment. But reality does not always reflect this ideal. The truth is, walking the path of virtue comes with unseen burdens, trials that test even the strongest minds. Yet, we do not choose goodness for praise or reward. We choose it because it is the path of strength, the path of those who refuse to be consumed by bitterness, weakness, or corruption. But let there be no illusions. This road is not easy. 1. You will be taken for granted. Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. B1. Marcus Aurelius. A truly good person gives not for recognition, but because it is the right thing to do. They offer their time, effort, and loyalty without expectation. However, not everyone appreciates this. Some will take advantage of your kindness, mistaking patience for weakness and generosity for obligation. They will assume you will always be there, always ready to give more, never expecting anything in return. This is the test. Do you allow their ingratitude to change you? Many become jaded, closing themselves off, refusing to give again. They think the world has hardened them, but in reality, they have allowed themselves to break. A truly good person does not give because they expect gratitude. They give because it is who they are. No amount of neglect will change that. 2. You will attract the wrong people. The wise man is self-sufficient, but shares his wisdom with others. Seneca. Kindness and wisdom draw people in. Some will come to you for guidance, strength, or inspiration. But others will come for different reasons. They will see your goodness as something to exploit. They will drain your energy, burden you with problems they refuse to solve, and test the limits of your patience. They will mistake your compassion for an open invitation to take without giving. You must be discerning. Not everyone deserves your time. Not everyone is worth your effort. A good person is not a martyr who burns themselves out for the sake of others. Help those who seek to help themselves. Leave behind those who only wish to take. 3. Your intentions will be misunderstood. If you seek outside approval, you have already compromised your integrity. Marcus Aurelius. There will be moments when others question your motives. Your discipline may be seen as arrogance, your silence as weakness, your wisdom as control. Some will resent you for your strength, for the self-control they lack, for the principles they cannot follow themselves. People will twist your words, misinterpret your actions, and challenge your values. But will you waste time explaining yourself? A good person does what is right, not for validation, not for approval, but because it aligns with their principles. Let the world misunderstand. Truth does not require explanation. 4. You will feel alone. The more a man relies on himself, the more he enjoys solitude. Seneca. The path of virtue is not one traveled by the masses. It is walked by the few, those who choose discipline over comfort, integrity over convenience. There will be moments of solitude, times when no one acknowledges the battles you fight or the sacrifices you make. You may wonder if it's worth it, if taking the easier road, the selfish road, would have spared you pain. But understand this, strength is found in solitude. The world owes you nothing. It does not owe you understanding, approval, or company. The weak seek comfort in the crowd. The strong create it within themselves. The choice is yours. Being good is not about being liked. It is not about being understood. It is about self-mastery, controlling your thoughts, your actions, your principles, and letting go of everything else. Yes, this path is hard. It is often thankless, lonely, and misunderstood. But it is the only path worth walking. If this message resonates with you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, stay strong, stay disciplined, and never let the world change who you are. I'll see you in the next one.